Hey guys, Randy with Horizon Trailers here. Today we'll be reviewing the FTZ Pintle Hitch Flatdeck with a GVWR of 15,260 pounds up to 17,920 pounds and ramp options like the slide-in, stand-up or mountain ramps. This trailer is perfect for hauling tractors, construction equipment or anything else on wheels. The FTZ comes in Pintle Hitch with length options of 20 up to 32 feet and gooseneck with length options of 20 up to 44 feet and has two 7K Lippert electric brake spring axles, a deck height of 33 inches and a deck width of 102 inches. Follow me as I go through all the features it has to offer. At the front of this FTZ, it features the Pintle ring rated at 25,000 pounds, 3/8 grade 70 safety chains, a breakaway kit, and a 7-way RV all-weather wiring harness. It has two spring-loaded drop leg jacks rated at 12,000 pounds each, upgradable to the hydraulic jacks if you don't like cranking. In between the tongue, it has a diamond mesh wire floor storage for chains, tools, or blocks, and it has a spare tire mount with an optional spare tire. The tongue and main frame are made of a 12-inch I-beam weighing in at 14 pounds per foot and has 3-inch channel cross members spaced 16 inches apart and a 2x5-inch 11-gauge tubing for the outer deck. For securing cargo, it has a rub rail with stake ID pockets and the option of adding D-rings to the deck. Also, we added a retractable step so it can easily access the deck. For the running gear, this FTZ comes standard with two 7K Lippert electric brake spring axles with 10-ply tires on 16-inch black mod wheels. And you can upgrade those to the 8K axles that come standard with the 14-ply tires on 16-inch black mod wheels. At the rear of the deck, this FTZ comes standard with a straight deck and slide-in ramps, where this one has been upgraded to the 5-foot dovetail and spring-loaded mountain ramps. With the springs, the ramps are easily opened and closed. Also, you can lock it in the up position if you have something loaded that doesn't quite fit on the deck and you need to lock them in the up position. You can also upgrade them to the stand-up ramps. For lighting, this has nice big DOT approved Technique LED lights and marker lights at the rear and along the side for extra visibility. We ensure that our paint will be durable with our 6-step painting process, which includes steel grip blasting and a powder coat, plus we have the option of adding zinc primer undercoat. And also, we know you like to personalize your trailer, that's why we have 10 color options to choose from. And remember, all our trailers have a 3-year structure and a 1-year component warranty, plus are NATM certified, giving you peace of mind that if you buy one of our trailers, it will be top quality. For more information, visit us on our website at horizontrailers.com. I'll catch you in the next video.